Okay, so today is was day number 4 of Derek Chavez's trial. For those who don't know, that's the cop who killed George Floyd. And so today his girlfriend testified. A lot of first responders and um I don't know if he was the police chief or just a sergeant or whatever at the time, but he's retired now. He testified. So first thing first, um, his girlfriend testified, and they kept trying to say he was a drug addict, he was this and that and this and that. Well, she just straight up told him, like, her and George were dependent on opiates. Um, Big deal. I mean, I see that all around me. It's all over the USA right now. That's pandemic before the pandemic. So they they both had prescriptions for. They both had chronic pain. Hers is in her neck. George's was in his shoulder blades and his back. But their body became dependent. They run out of their prescription, she said, and then she would she knew people from there. She would buy them from people or whatever, and she said they had some that she told them in so many words that it's pressed pills going around. They don't know what's in them, and nobody does. And she said they had some that they had, and she knew something was wrong with them because she took them and she was jittery, and they kept her up for like 2 days. So no, it's not like the man was out there on meth and this and that. No, it was yeah. You buy some pills from somebody, you don't know what they impressed her with. So anyway, that was her testifying, and then they had uh, a couple of the paramedics testify to the fact that they had to tell Derek Chavez to get off of him just so they could treat him. Once they arrived at the scene, they had to tell him to, get his knee off his neck, let us treat him. And basically, he flatlined in the ambulance. He was dead right there on the scene. Uh, they also played audio from Derek Chavez talking to the retired sheriff, ex chief or whoever it was today. And I mean, y'all have to look look it up yourself and listen to that audio. Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. Um, Also, the paramedics are the ones who uh, took the handcuffs off of him. The man was already dead, and they still wouldn't take the handcuffs off of him. The paramedics had to take the handcuffs off. Uh, the retired chief or sergeant or whatever he is said admitted on the stand that um, um, the knee should have came off of his neck as soon as he was handcuffed. Like, no need for it to be there for over 9 minutes. So, um, I mean, there's a lot of misconceptions going around out there, and people telling their own version of the stories, but it's coming out now, and yeah, I hope they get. I hope he get first degree. Because it's a plethora of charges that they can go with second degree, third degree, whatever, whatever. But I mean, if y'all haven't been watching, man, try to tune in. I'm telling you, it's now all the truth is coming out. Like all of the truth. You don't have to go and see what you see online or whatever. No, all the truth is coming out now. Even the people that uh, the guy that uh, they would buy pills from, his name is in there in the paperwork, whatever, whatever. You know. But the thing about this, and I'm about to get off here, is I want y'all to look at this, and I guarantee you, you Don't ever try and judge nobody because I guarantee you, y'all know somebody who they're dependent on opiates or benzos or some kind of pills that they were prescribed and then their body got used to them. So before you call somebody a junkie or whatever, you might want to know what you're talking about. You might not want to judge nobody. Just trust me on that one. We'll be back with day 5 tomorrow, though. I'll keep y'all updated.